As commercial lighting customers look to unlock the potential of connected lighting, fixture manufacturers are looking for seamless ways to integrate controls to make it all possible. The MasterConnect system offers an easy lighting control solution by featuring our Philips EasySense sensors, Titanium SR driver, and MasterConnect apps. The compact form factor of the Philips EasySense SNS sensor easily integrates into fixture design while reducing the need for extra components required in other offerings. With advanced grouping options, manufacturers can enable scene settings and occupancy sharing. One fixture design can work for the most basic energy savings and code compliance strategies to a fully networked solution that provides fixture-specific information. Philips EasySense leverages the benefits of the established Titanium SR LED driver portfolio to streamline wirelessly connected lighting. The simple two-wire connection from driver to sensor reduces complexity and the need for additional components, which add to the overall cost. Titanium SR functionality has been adopted into the standards by organizations such as ANSI and DALI Alliance that will drive a broad ecosystem of interoperable components. This helps drive connected lighting toward becoming mainstream. The Philips MasterConnect apps streamline the commissioning process by providing full control over fixture parameters. Through the Philips EasySense Bluetooth and Zigbee radio signal, installers can program the sensor as well as green power switches from floor level. In addition, the Philips EasySense SNH sensor provides all the same functionality as our office system, but for high bay and warehouse applications. For the OEMs, specifiers, and the end user, Philips MasterConnect offers cost and time savings benefits. The MasterConnect system provides a full range of solutions to meet near-term energy savings and code compliance, as well as emerging smart lighting applications. Are you ready to take the next step towards smart lighting? For more information, visit philips.com/easysense. Innovation and you. Philips.